ഷീൻ്റെ ബെസ്റ്റ് exceptional, but don't get excited. These all are na. See, there are two plays going on. Modi BJP team playing that the Modi will be the next president, and they are going to make Yogi as the next prime minister. That's the way they are playing. Actually, that's what that Panditji also, that they have immediately sent him to his hometown, and that's the way they were arranging this. There are cracked also level. And on the other one, the Kankrush is playing, but to make Sachin Pilot test a prime minister, and by putting Priyankaji in the front to a crack lady have common sense. What these devils will do, they will devastate. Why they are blocked all to make it that I should not be in power anyhow. That's the way. Second, what they will do after spoiling him, that's what, especially why they have dropped that Pranidh is exciting, and now why they are focusing on the Divya Matana. They realize that Kala Sarpadosha is forming in her Kundali, so that she will be also finished, and who are getting into also, they will also finish finished with that Kachara Potich, the ഒരു പൂണ്ടച്ചോളം തിന്നെ തളയിൽ വേഴിക്കാൻ നിനക്കണ പട്ടി ചടുക്ക് നിനക്ക് ചത്തൂടെ നാണം കേട്ട പട്ടി, നീ എന്തിന് ജീവിക്കുന്നിങ്ങനെ ആലവിൽ അരിപ്പാട്ടി. ഇതാണ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ കർമ്മ, ദിസ് ഈസ് വാട്ട്, ബിക്കോസ് ദ വേ യു ഗോട്ട് വെൻ ദീസ് ഡബിൾസ് എനി കച്ചറ ഇസ് കുറയുമ്പോൾ ഐ ഡിസർവ് വേ ബെറ്റർ. ദിസ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് ഗെറ്റ് കച്ചറ പട്ടി നായ വേഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നു ചക്ക നടക്കും. നിന്നെ എന്ത് നിൻ്റെ വലിച്ചോട്ട് കട്ടി വലിച്ചോട്ട് പോകണം, നിൻ്റെ നാക്കിലെന്തൊരു ഉളുക്കാ പുല്ലേ. Many times he's offering, and I didn't do any crime or fraud. If somebody is calling to my phone, nobody will eat. Okay, the Kachara son who is not having any capability 24/7 behind me, monitoring what each and everything, that is what blood natures. They will do that. That we don't need to bother about that. Kachara all they will do. They will arrange everything. They arrange Kachara party nanangata nae. They can get you make the prime minister. These all are. That's what now I have seen the 23rd October onwards in Delhi. That Delhi യാത്ര നടത്തുന്നത് സ്ട്രീറ്റിൽ വഴിക്കിടക്കണം നാണം കെട്ട പോട്ടെ, നിന്നെ ചുട്ട് കൊല്ലണം പുല്ലേ. To trap the people. Also Sachin Pilot also കച്ചറ നിൻ്റെ അന്ത്യം എടുത്തിട്ട് Sachin Pilot കച്ചറ പരന്നാറിപ്പാട്ടി അവനൊക്കെ പോലെയുള്ള വേടക്കുകൾ. Sachin Pilot might be the exceptional training to പഠനം പാട്ടി, നീ ചാടം നാണം കേട്ട കുത്തേ എടി പുണ്ടച്ചോളം നീ കാത്തിരുന്ന നിന്നെ എൻ്റെ ഓർവാനം പരന്നാറി ചേറ്റിയാലവന് എല്ലാം പറ്റി ദീസ് നാരായണവാസി എവരിപടിയുണ്ട് കാച്ചറ പൊട്ട നിൻ്റെ കാത്തിരോടെ പൊണ്ടച്ചി മോനെ നീ see the today in that reportage I got clarity that Chambutrada, when after seeing this my mail searching, Chambutrada went and screwed up all the Democrats, and so that's why the billions has been come to that. Narayana Kachara party, these bastards only behind that police was attacking me, and this that my anti-murder culture നിൻ്റെ ഡിവരേജ് പരന്നാറി പുല്ലനാണ് ഈ കൾച്ചർ. If the Congress has to be these Narayanadesh also, this Kachivi also, everybody has to be thrown out of the yard. That and who is blocking these fellows? And actually, for what purpose these fellows are sticker on? Where are you getting? This is that you are not a confident man. Actually, see India. What is the problem with India? It's not about the political button. India lacks a confident, stubborn, strong leader. Leadership is the problem. So why BJP was able to roll this whole thing? Only because of Modi. Because he have a strong courage, stamina, willpower to take the control of the entire India. They have in their show series, they were able to manage it. That's the thing. So that's what the leadership is the problem. That is kind of any straight any what everybody can know that their level depth, and so if somebody was that much potential person was there, Congress would not have damaged this much, damaged this much. Okay, and so nobody, then India would have been much to their thing. See, so when some people will come, that it will reflect. Okay, so that's the thing. And so what are the things this kachara chootta party no into level, and you don't think that your sticker on the teams or putting some shows and getting excited and that. Also, see, just think that how dirty, not how cracker these leaders' minds, and also just think that Article 370. See, actually, this is the way the success of BJP is and all. BJP. See, while implementing, executing an thing, how they are doing a research and analysis. So the Article 317 has been taken away with a strong perspective. Okay, that and other things. That even if you are going at it, winning in Jammu Kashmir, so people will not be able to revoke it. That's the way. That's how the laws should be implemented, executed. Okay, action plans. And then actually you became again as a joker because see that previous report gets in then 8,500 monthly no rupees account. This year, catcher if feels like a dumps only. That's it. This year your great advices, ideas. See after the election when you fellows were everybody was making fun of you people, right? That you will not be able to put the same way only in Jammu Kashmir also. After the election, even if you fellows that NC is winning also, you fellows will not be able to revoke that Article 3. If you are revoking, you are finished that forever. Have come. This is what Kachara Mantamuti teams, a research team. Everybody is sucking and prosecuted Manada. Where tear Chikalta to Kola Pulina Paranar Chet and Anagata. Work Chara Paranari Pati, send your 80 Baba Pushpagin, Charakananga Patti. This is what if something arranges that much devastating thing, all these sellers will arrange it to devastate the people. Charavanda, watch it up, pull it on a Paranari in a case. Todangitilla, then the way I will lock them in the Bengal prostitution central will be born out of Paranari party. Chara, pull it on a Carvery in a charity party. Chara. രവികൂടി ഉയർന്നും കണ്ട കേൾവിനില്ല നീ നാണോട്ട് നീ എന്തിനു ജീവിക്കുന്ന പട്ടി നിൻ്റെ ഇതാണ് നിൻ്റെ ശാപം ബിക്കോസ് ഫോർ പവർ കറ്റിങ്ങിൽ ഒരു ചട്ടി എനി ചട്ടിട്ടങ്കിൾസ് നാണം കേട്ടോ കച്ചറ പട്ടി പേഴ്സൺ ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് സം പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റി ആൻഡ് ക്രെഡിബിലിറ്റി പ്രിയങ്ക ഡോണ്ട് ഗെറ്റ് എക്സൈറ്റഡ് വിത്ത് shameless cowards did a mistake or she dream that what you will do tomorrow will the prime minister frauds very somewhere this is the same way I still remember that Kachara Narana Supara he talked to this kind of Kachara Patina local the Mari in last year that Telangana let the result come after the convention now. So when the exit poll has come, so now the after Jammu these are to Kachara Patil, you can make a palala, Priandamari, very care, the neck of Choter, you know, the neck each and every party nine doctor. And Mundaka Kachara, it's a Kachara parties. Karamai, better Chanaka, നീ എന്തിനാ പട്ടി നാണം കെട്ടവനെ ജീവിക്കുന്നത് everybody with India got published in the chucking expertise on all these levels are leaving then for white papers catcher party. This is at the how many girls you chuck that's a way in the put this kind of chara in a chuta Anna that way. Charapate or article trace wherever get a manta butil who is not even knowing the ABCD of anything. Charapati. What? Pushpa and a Kachara Rot Street one bastard 49 and I agent Karanari party. Shame for the humanity that in the Kalal. I make it just to drink it American. Charapati car get the sugar at the Paranari on a touch it. A sugar, she might be a regular client that she raise a party. Or you can acknowledge. Care can